Hey guys, have you guys ever had a nuisance squirrel? Well, I've got one. Actually, I've got two. These squirrels have been, just causing havoc on my deer feeders. And actually, one of them, he yesterday morning, he got on top of one of my deer cams and pointed, or I guess he jumped on this deer cam and made the deer cam point to the ground. And as you see in this picture right here. And as you notice in that picture, he took a picture of himself. Well, this morning I'm gonna go see if I can eliminate this squirrel. Because normally the picture should look like this, where it's pointing towards a feeder, as you can see right here. Well, anyway, I'm gonna hunt this thing all day, if it takes me all the way till dark to get him. And as you can hear, it's raining outside, so I'm gonna have to hunt in the rain this morning. He's making it hard for me. But anyway, you sit back, enjoy this hunt. Hopefully I can get him. I'm using a 22 long rifle. I've killed a lot of squirrels with this thing, and it's real accurate, so hopefully I won't miss. But anyway, sit back, let's see if we can get this squirrel. Well, I didn't get my squirrel this morning, but man, I'm soaking wet. I saw him, and he actually came up on this tree right over here. And for some reason, he sat on a limb for just a second, and I think you can see it in the video. And then he just ran around the tree and disappeared. So I don't know. I don't know if he saw me or what, but anyway, I'm gonna climb down, go home, get me a cup of coffee, get in God's Word for a little bit, and then I'm gonna let this rain stop, because it's supposed to stop here in a couple hours, and come back. So anyway, stay tuned. We gonna get him. We gonna get him. Well, the rain has stopped, so I'm gonna go see if I can get that squirrel. So y'all go with me. Let's see. That dude, he's done outsmarted me 2 times now. Let's see if we can get him. Well, I hunted all day trying to get that squirrel. And I actually saw a squirrel 6 times. Now, I think it was 2 different ones, but every time I saw those squirrels, there was like some branches in the way, or some limbs, or the camera. I could not get the camera, on the squirrel before the shot. So anyway, squirrels 2, Robert 0. I'm going to try him again in the morning though. We gonna get him. You just wait. We gonna get him. See you in the morning. Got him. Look at there. Well, guys, we got him. Man, that was a smart squirrel. What I figured out was the reason I was having trouble getting this squirrel, he was actually staying or living in the tree that I was hunting out of. I figured I could get up in one of my bow stands and just snipe him, but he was living in that tree. Let me show you the tree. So this morning I said, I gotta try something different. I didn't know he was in that tree, but I decided to put a ground blind out here and maybe I could get him that way. So let me show you this ground blind. Well, when I first saw him this morning, he was looking at this blind, but I guess it didn't scare him. So then he snuck his way over to that, you can see right there, to that corn feeder, and that's where I got him. But anyway, it was a exciting hunt, man. I got more nervous with him than I do on deer. But anyway, we got him. So we're going to have some squirrel here in a little bit. Sherry says, I ain't eating no squirrel, but we'll see. I may have to go get another one. One for her, one for me. But anyway, it was a great hunt. And hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And if you don't mind, like and subscribe to the Eating Clinic Outdoors. We're trying something here, and we're having a great time and a lot of fun doing it. So anyway, hope to see you soon.